This is the elevator at the, what are we at, JCPenney, SouthPark Mall. Yes, there was ample parking, day and night. GMP Square. Moline. Oh. Ah, okay, that's a controller. Burned out, but you love to see the G&P Square. Wow, I'm mixing up my letters. JCPenney, G&P Square. What's the difference? Gorgeous. Just get a quick hit of that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The funny thing about Moline, which I forgot to mention, this is in Moline. Funny thing about Moline is this is where Kone is now and where Montgomery was, and all I've seen is Montgomery's or Montgomery Kone's, probably because Kone's break, so they probably don't fucking install them. But, you know, they just walked all the parts from down the fucking road. So, there's just Montgomery's everywhere. I saw another G&P Square in a building we walked past. Oh, gorgeous.
Are the buttons all original?
Yeah, those are original buttons. There it goes, and that's it.